I've laid the paper half underneath the fringe and not under the green yet, just because I want to give you an idea or example of what we're referring to as you have a free form or elliptical or curved shapes in the green. So you'll have some areas where only some of the paper will still have a good 3 to 4 inches of paper that the green will make contact with, and we can probably slide this over a little bit more. But you can see here where the paper is overlapping, so we'll make a cut right across there and get rid of the excess just so it lines up perfectly when we get ready to do so. But again, this is an example of how we facet around the green with the paper. Again, we can probably pull this in a few inches. I've just got some nails that are here preventing that, so I'll remove those and pull this back a little bit. But we just want to make sure we've got 3 to 4 inches of coverage on both sides. And as you can see, we just continue to facet around the green. Long stretches, you can obviously make a long run, but a lot of the times as we're going around curves, we'll have some shorter pieces here and here. And then this section is already done up here. Okay, now we're at the point where we're going to cut some of the overlap. Now, you can use scissors, which might be a little bit of a better idea. I'm just going to use my carpet blade knife. And you can see where the extra is cutting over. So I don't have to make a couple cuts. I'm just going to make one and get it pretty close to that, and I'll just slide the rest of the additional materials down. So now you can see where the cut has been made pretty much perfect to that. And a little bit of a gap's not gonna hurt. And then we just have our extra that we can either save for some smaller spaces in between some of the rocks that we have to get up next to. Like we could use this piece to go up along that section of the seam to get into the rock. So definitely save some of your smaller scraps for things like that. But this will give you an idea of what I'm referring to when we butt up the seam tape paper.